Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today. I'm gonna pick the winner of my hidden giveaway. I posted a video Monday on Labor Day letting you know in the video that I was having this hidden giveaway. I did have an extra set of the kit that I was making cards with, and so that's what the giveaway is. I am going to show it really quickly here, and then I will also put the link to the original video here, so go ahead and check that out. It does show that I have 4 unique comments, so let's get my picker out. So 4 unique comments. We're gonna start, and good luck. Woot woot. Hey Amanda. Congratulations, girl. So I'm gonna see you next week at the crop, so I'm just gonna bring your winnings there, and now you will have extra of them because I know you got this as well last year. So hope you guys are all having a crafty day. Thank you for those of you who watched the video and commented. I appreciate your love and support. For more videos like these, see here. And until the next video, shakas!